Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. We have another 3D pop-up card for you today. Today we're making adorable little snowmen. If you know my Red Ted Art crafts well, you will have seen these little snowmen as bookmarks before, and now we have them as a pop-up card. Now also, if you love little Ted as much as I do, watch out for Ted in the video. He's hiding away once again, and I'm waiting for you to leave me a comment down below and let me know where you've spotted him. So come on, let's take a look and see how these snowmen are made, and let's go and find Ted. To make our pop-up snowman cards, we're going to use a little bit of white paper, some contrasting card. This time I'm going to stick on some confetti snowflakes, but you can cut some out with a hole punch and stick those on. Some pens for decorating, but again you can use coloured paper like I often do. So the first thing you need to do to create your snowman is make a concertina. So this is going to be roughly 3 centimeters long. I actually made myself a little template. You can make your own as well, and just to help me along, but to be honest you can just draw it from scratch too, and I'll show you in a minute which bits you need to draw. So nice concertina, as neatly as you can. We want 6 folds in total. Trim off that little end bit. So when you have it, you can see it's 6 folds, concertinaed. Now here's the closed edge, the open edge. Where the closed edge is, you need to have the inside of your snowman's head. Let's have a look. And it needs to come right to the edge. So you're drawing 2 semicircles. So here's the first one. I'm going to neaten it out in a minute. Here's the second one. So when you're sketching your own, you basically draw 1 circle, semicircle, and then the second semicircle, a little bit smaller around the bottom. Now make sure you reach the edge, very important, otherwise you'll have 3 little snowmen that aren't connected. And then a cutout. So this has to stay, otherwise, like I mentioned, you'll have 3 cute snowmen, but they won't be connected. Let's have a look. Ah, so cute. If you want, once you've cut it, you can just round that off a little bit, but you don't have to, but you can. There you go. These have got very big heads, don't they? I think they're meant a bit bigger than I meant, but that's okay. I think still they'll be super cute. Now it's time to decorate. I'm actually just going to use pens this time. Normally as you know, I use little bits of paper, but I just wanted to show you that you can also decorate just using nice pens. Aren't they cute? Right, time to stick them down. Fold them up, make sure everything's the ink's dried. They're going to go like so. So I'm going to add some glue to one side. And then fold it and place. Glue to the other side. And fold the card over, squish down and open up. Look at that. Aren't they cute? And then just the last bit. Again, you don't have to do this at all. Obviously you might not have snowflake confetti, or you might have some snowflake stickers, or you could just use some hole punches and just make little white dots. That would also look really cute. But because I happen to have these snowflakes, I will stick them on because I think they're really fun and extra adorable. I'm just using this to get a nice big blob of glue onto the snowflake so that it really sticks neatly. So cute. So this is part of a series of Christmas cards. I've got more designs in this style. So if you want to check those out, do go to the channel homepage and have a good browse and a good look around, and hopefully you will be inspired to have a go. I've also got a special super simple Christmas craft series. They are designed to be made super quickly and super easily in like 2 minutes, and I think you might enjoy those as well. So yeah, take a look and have a go. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.